Good day, everyone, and welcome to Elite Currency weekly recap. So, quickly, we will go through trading areas that we might be having very, very soon or tomorrow, guys. But have in mind that markets are very volatile due to Brexit and US elections. Just before I show you the screen, I will quickly go with our results. So all trades, guys, are made by my Black Widow system. Black Widow is very, very, very successful intraday trading system. These are results that I'm having, guys, on my ECS live group, and you can see that it's very, very nice curve. We have a lots of profits here, and I hope that we will have even better profits, guys. But so far so good, and we are climbing up. You need to know that we are in very risky positions because of Brexit, because of US elections, but definitely we are here to make profits. Also, if you want to become the part of our live group in Telegram, just sign up on elitecurrency.com. This is the website, guys. Sign up and, of course, enjoy everyday trade ideas, management, and everything. Also, you can sign up and purchase Black Widow system, and you can trade it yourself or along with me in my trading group. So this is the website. Now, guys, I will quickly go to charts. So it's obvious that we have a lot of volatility. Today we have traded GBP dollar, GBP Swissy, and we closed Euro New Zealand for 45 pips. I think that this is very, very important that Euro dollar is now a long. So if you see that markets are going, I would say in between 1745 and this level 1723, we will have a new long here, guys. Potential long trades in between these levels 1745 and 1723. So in my opinion, if the market drops there during the night or maybe tomorrow, we will have a new long. Why I have these levels? Because you can see when market is normal, when it doesn't have the overshot of the ATR, you have blue level at the top, blue level at the bottom. When market overshots because of bigger volatility, these new levels are printed out above highs or lows. In this example here in the euro dollar, we see that above blue line, there are two more levels because market is very volatile. So guys, if the market drops lower, I will be buying this. This is clear as the day for me. Euro dollar is long. GBP dollar is actually, I might say it's short because Black Widow is giving us short trades, but the real problem here is market risk. Whenever there is market risk, we can have both parties moving the price, so both bulls and bears. Market risk means that something is present outside of standard risk. So here, market risk is Brexit. Whenever something about Brexit is being mentioned, you can see that markets are just moving up and down without any technical validity. So this is important, guys. If the price makes a move down, this is where it could reject. But I'm still going for shorts here because you can see that Black Widow is pointing shorts. However, we had a short today on my live group and I closed it for 12 pips because there is too much volatility. I don't like it. I don't like when markets move like this, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just better to close than to be greedy and take, I don't know, 30, 40 pips. It's much better to close because there will be another chance when markets calm down a little bit. So it's tricky. I would stay out of the GBP dollar at this point. Gold, on the other hand, is long. So if the markets go to 1893 to 1884 in this zone here, so if markets get into this zone, this is clear long position. So have in mind, these trades are valid for today and tomorrow, early tomorrow. I mean, they are valid for the whole day. It's the best if they happen today, because these levels will automatically be new. They will refresh every day, because those are ATR levels. Each day they are new. So just have in mind that if it happens today, it's much better than it happens tomorrow. Maybe in Asia session is still okay, but if it happens today, it's even better. This is intraday trading method, guys. Very successful. Australian dollar yen. Short. I was looking for potential shorts today, but I didn't see the price. However, if I see today that markets are going into this zone here, 75.00 to 75.20, bang. We are waiting for short signal and we go short. Okay. One thing that I was also noticed, Euro yen, guys, very strong trend to the downside. I might say maybe even from 123.50 could be next long. So if you see a move down, this could go long. This could go long. Of course, this is the best, but I don't think it will happen, because you see markets already overshot here. I think this is also valid level. 193.50, 123.50, 123.25. If it gets there, bang, we are going up. So 123.50, 123.25. Very, very good long. Okay. Also regarding equities, if you can get a move in equities, even better. S&P, it's short. If you see the move up to 35.64, 35.84, this is short. DEX, oh, it's going. Oh, this is no, this is short. This was a good short here, guys. You see, this was the signal actually. It already happened. I didn't catch it, but this was the short. Very good short. So I guess maybe today, if it gets again to this level, guys, we will be able to go from this level. Oof, what is this? Wait. Yeah, I'm having problems with my pen. Wait. So I will chart like this. So if the markets move here, guys, again today, we will drop. This was a good signal to go short. I missed this one. I didn't trade it, unfortunately. And the last one that I will show you, Euro Australian dollar. Very strong longs. So if the price makes a move to 65.26, 64.88, in between these two levels, watch for longs. This is going to reject. I'm monitoring this price. If the market gets there, we go long. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed. Let's see what will happen. We managed to make good trades on intraday time frames. Today, 3 out of 3 wins. Hopefully this will continue. And I always make a blog after each week, so you can read my blog for full week results. If you want to join our ECS live trading group, feel free to come, and you are all welcome. Thank you, guys. Well, I wish you a very, very good trading week, and talk to you soon. Cheers, guys. Trade safe.